I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by recording on the Apple Watch so the audio exists to transfer. Make sure both devices share one Apple ID and iCloud Voice Memos is enabled. This allows automatic syncing. Once done, open Voice Memos on the watch, tap the red record button, and speak naturally. Tap Stop when finished. You're doing this to create a file the iPhone can receive either by iCloud Sync or by an explicit share action, so don't skip the shared account, and next you choose how the memo reaches the iPhone. If iCloud Sync is working, open Voice Memos on the iPhone and wait a moment. Synced recordings appear under Recordings. If not, use Share on the watch. Tap the memo, tap More, then Share, and pick AirDrop for the quickest direct transfer to a nearby iPhone. Alternatively, send via messages or mail. AirDrop is fastest because it transfers the M4A file locally without relying on Cloud Sync. Finally, accept the transfer on the iPhone if you used AirDrop, or open the Voice Memos app to find the synced file. You can rename, trim, or share the memo from the iPhone as needed. If the memo doesn't appear, make sure iCloud Voice Memos is enabled on both devices, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active, and both are signed into the same Apple ID. Restarting each device often resolves stubborn sync problems, and then try the transfer again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.